Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining this presentation. I think the other presentation is slightly overrunning, so we will take it slow at the start. This presentation will be started by Hikaru-san, by Uno-san, who is very kindly joined us at midnight from Japan. So thank you very much, Uno-san. He's from Merck, and also Melbs from Electroninks is trying to enter the room. So probably halfway through the presentation, he will enter the room. And we're going to hear about this very exciting metal complex silver rings, specifically for sprayable conformal silver coatings for semiconductor packaging. So as usual, the presentation is for 20 minutes. Uno-san, you have the stage. 20 minutes before the end of your presentation, I will give you a notice. And I will also remind the audience to ask your questions. And then we take it from there. So I guess we can start now. So please.
Okay. Yep. Thank you, Kasher, for introduction, and thanks for audience for paying attention to my presentation. I think you can see my screen, and this is Uno from Merck Electronics as Global Product Manager, and as Kasha mentioned, Melbs will join for soon, I believe, and as co-founder and president of Electronics. Okay, so before starting my talk, let me introduce our relationship between Electroninks and Merck. Okay, so Electroninks is a kind of startup company in US, locating in US, Texas, and they have a very interesting cutting-edge metal complex ink technology called so-called particle-free ink technology, and we have one board member from our company to this company, Electronics, called M Venture, kind of investment company. Okay, and now we have an exclusive supply contract with Electronics. Then we are promoting this material together to market. And we will deliver this product under our name, brand name, utilizing our brand name as Merck or EMD. Then also utilizing our global customer access, QA/QC capability, as well as technical service. So this is what we want to do for this technology, to bring new technology to market. And today, I'd like to focus on conformal EMI shielding application. Okay, so this is three benefit of our particle-free silver ink. Okay, first, yeah, this is kind of a takeaway. I would like to have audience to remember. And first, our material has very easy processability, especially for spray process. Okay. Then, as you can see here, our material can create very dense silver film. Then shielding effectiveness and also reliability as well. But all the performance is very good. This is second part. And also third part, we can also offer total cost of ownership with utilizing spray process and also our material. Okay, let me share detail following slide. At first, this is the kind of application information. Okay, as you can see here, electronics particle-free ink technology can be applicable to various application like antenna, sensor, ink, electrodes, various type. But again, today I'd like to focus on the EMI shielding application. That's conformal shielding. Okay. Then, as you know, a wireless device or semiconductor packages need to be mounted on very small area, and also need to be shielded electromagnetic interference. Then, of course, smartphone is a major application, but not only smartphone, other like smartwatch, healthcare device, and IoT, various type of application need to be shielded from EMI as well as required small form factor. Okay, so we believe this wireless device is a very strong market driver for EMI shielding,